Why are you recording her? Swayze, why are you recording her? Sorry. My bad. My bad. Fishing with Chris right now. Say what's up.
What's up, man?
All right. Fishing with Chris right now. Say what's up.
What's up, man?
All right. All right, so when I was ending the video, I didn't realize that, the audio was messed up and some clips they never recorded, so the video was a bit short. I think it was only like 5 minutes or something, 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5. I don't know, but I'm just leaving this in there because I don't want y'all to think that, lose my interest or anything. But nah, the audio was messing up, and then a couple clips they never wanted to do their thing. The clips are messing up. It was just like a black screen. So yeah, see y'all in the next one. Hey, watch me catch a fish. First drop. Just checking if it's still on. Somewhere over here.
He's like somewhere in the grass right here.
There we go. Damn. Got my buddy Cam pulled up.
What's up? Yo.
Hell yeah, he blended in with the hoodie. Yo, heading out to go get some minnows, cause
They're out today.
yeah, they out. Live bait is always better.
Exactly.
Not gonna lie. Look at us here, bro. Nah, but it's hot. Hot as
They're
hell.
actually like out today, like for real.
Not for real, bro. They got some bass out, boy.
Hell
Ooh,
yeah.
you ready?
Hell yeah.
Ooh. Nah, hey, we gonna have to dive in the water. I'm not gonna lie.
For real, bro. We'll just jump in there and grab that.
For real. Bro, they got a whole bunch of spider webs too. Not gonna lie, there's one.
All in my face.
all on your pole too, bro. All on the bait. Goddamn.
I didn't even rig this shit right.
Bro, Cam rigged mine. But I took it off, because we finna go get some live bait.
Yes.
Ooh. Look, I'm whipping this one today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this nice ass car, man. Whipping it, boy.
Yeah.
All right, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, this is my new car.
You want your keys back?
Hell yeah. Made to a new spot. The old one was, it was fish, but they weren't biting. So we went by the bridge again. Yeah. Still with this shit. We've been out here for like how many hours? Like 5, bro. We've been out here fishing for 5 hours. New ride, look at this. Look at this. Look at all this. Yeah, 2025. Brand new, straight out the dealership. Oh my gosh. Hey man, we living large, bro.
Nah, for real.
Living large, man.
Real large.